Among the softly rolling hills of the Vino Nobile region of Tuscany lie 184 tillable hectares of land dedicated to vineyards and olive trees at an elevation of 300 meters above sea level. On this estate, there are about 120 hectares of dry-farmed hillside vineyards, all sustainably farmed. These are planted with mostly Sangiovese for the production of Vino Nobile di Montepulciano, but also with international grape varietals dedicated to the Carpineto wines. The younger vineyards are typically dedicated to the Dogaiolo Rosso, although the Dogaiolo Bianco and Dogaiolo Rosato all have dedicated vineyard sites. The absolute best vineyards are dedicated to the Appodiati program, unique wines like Vino Nobile Poggio Sant'Enrico, which was the first 100% Sangiovese wine produced in the territory of Montepulciano back in 1998. The other Vino Nobile vineyards, because of the particular characteristics of the blue clay present on this estate, produce only Riserva wines. In fact, because of its outstanding location and soil, Carpineto is the only producer in Montepulciano to only produce Riserva, or single vineyard wines. In 1998, the first 10 hectares of high-density, dry-farmed hillside vineyards were planted to 8,600 vines per hectare. At almost 100 hectares, it became what is probably the largest contiguous high-density vineyard in Italy, planted to modern trellising methods with clones and rootstocks varying according to soil type. Averaging less than 1 bottle per vine production, the quality is truly exceptional. There are also 12 hectares of olive groves, some trees dating back several centuries, planted to the classic Tuscan varieties of Frantoio, Moraiolo, Lecchino, and Pendolino that are used to produce excellent extra virgin olive oil. There is also a state-of-the-art winery with a ventilated wooden roof and an integrated 150 kilowatt solar panel system that hosts a carbon-neutral modern winemaking facility. Slavonian oak casks and small barrels are also part of the aging facility, as well as a large bottle aging cellar. On the Vino Nobile estate, there is also a wildlife refuge, a natural paradise where migratory birds can seek temporary shelter, and also an area where native grasses and brush are protected, and, come fall, both mushrooms and the occasional truffle can be found. Hospitality surrounding the bustling tasting room is also a popular activity, as people from all over the world make a pit stop here to take in the Tuscan sun with a glass of Vino Nobile Riserva. Salute da Carpineto.